even though they call him son of God, son of David, but when he was born, he was actually born as the son of man, a prophet.
Amen.
Are you with me? He was born as what? A son of man, a what? Yeah. Verse number 2 now, lalela. Verse when he took the bread, as pula for abantu. Remember I told you, he took 5 loaves of bread and 3 fish, and they were feed at 5,000 abantu. That is impossible naturally. So God had to step in. Ngamanye amagama nakafeed abantu, he did not feed them as the son of man, but nakathatha lesinkwa wherever as pula besmila, wherever he broke the bread, it grew and grew and grew. He did that not as a son of man. When he did that, he was a son of God.
Amen.
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 So there was a time they wanted to kill the son of man, Jesus Christ. He was missing in action among the people. He was the son of man, but he was the son of God. Are you with me? When he was sleeping in a boat at Nineveh, he was the son of man, but when he spoke to the demons in the sea, he was the son of God. Can you give the Lord a hand of praise? Are you with me? Now he was born as a son of man, and he did miracles as a son of God. But manje nagayosa, when you will come as the King of Kings, number 3, you will come as the son of David, which means you will come as a king. Nagayosa manje, he will not come now as a king. Nagayosa manje, he is coming to rapture the bride. To do what? To rapture the bride, you understand? But when he will engage in the war of Armageddon, the war of what? Armageddon, not the war of Gog and Magog. There's a war of Gog and Magog, and there's a war of Armageddon. Armageddon, it's when the world will turn against Israel. When the world turns against Israel, then he will show up as the son of David, the King of Kings. And guess what? He will be there.
Amen.
There are 2 wars that are left. How many wars?
2.
Yeah. The first war that is left is the war of Gog, and Magog. You understand? The one that I'm going to talk about. That's after level. The second one is the war of what? Or Armageddon. That's war. Lawa ayitu lena yileyo yenzeka kunasidala iyenzeka lena le iyenzeka America and so forth. I'm going there. They will attack Israel, and God will say, wait a minute, just like David, owashaya Goliath wamwisa. When the world will turn against Israel, Israel will defeat the world.
Amen.